Hi everyone, my name is Sunil. I'm your English trainer, and today I'm going to help you with one of the important things. And today I'm going to answer one of the most Googled questions, that how we can improve our English in 2024. Don't worry about that. I'm going to share some beautiful tips with you, and these three tips I can guarantee will bring a little change in your speaking, or it will help you to improve your communication skills. So without wasting too much time, let's start that. And the first tip that I'm going to share with you is that you should improve your vocabulary. And you will be amazed to know that why I'm saying that you should work on your vocabulary or you should expand your vocabulary. The reason is that if you expand your vocabulary or if you make your vocabulary very strong, it is abundantly clear that you are going to have a lot of confidence. And whenever we practice English, what do we do? Either we use any application where we talk to people over the phone call, or if we learn English, either we become the part of any debate or we end up becoming the part of any discussions. This is what we do, or we talk to strangers. So, whenever you have a conversation or whenever you practice English, people might use some basic, some intermediate, or some advanced level word meanings. If your word meaning is already good, you are going to have a lot of confidence. And this is what you need. Whatever you do, if you have the confidence, your work is going to be very easy for you. Where we can get some basic and advanced words. If you are new, your primary job is to work on your basic vocabulary, and you can do it so easily. That's why you should work on your vocabulary. But the thing is that how we can expand our vocabulary, what are the methods? When you already know you are good at basic word meanings, now it's time to uplift your level. You need to go with some advanced word meanings. And how you can do that, this is the question. Don't worry, I'm your trainer, I'm with you. So till I'm with you, you should not be worried about anything. I'm going to help you with every possible way. You need to read a newspaper. When I say this word, most of the people are going to stop watching this video. Please trust me. You have to have faith in you and you have to believe me whatever I'm saying. Earlier, I did not have this level. Whatever I'm saying, I'm going to share the appropriate methods with you. Reading a newspaper has helped me very much. I have seen a radical change in myself, and I also want to see that change in you. If you want to have that change, what you need to do is you have to read a newspaper. When you read a newspaper, it gives you a lot of benefits. Let me make you count the several benefits. The first benefit is that whenever you read a newspaper, whatever grammar concepts or whatever grammar lessons you practice or you learn, you will get to see those things. Sometimes when I cover any topic, that point of time I run short of examples. But if I read a newspaper, God be praised, I get an opportunity where I get to see a couple of examples. This is the first benefit. The second significant benefit is that when you read a newspaper, it is going to give you some basic words, it is going to give you some advanced words or the words which are in trend. This is the benefit. The third benefit is that if you want to work on your pronunciation part, what you need to do is you need to read a newspaper out. When you read that out, it help you to improve your pronunciation. And the fourth benefit is that most of the people say that they are terrible at spellings. But one thing is that if you keep watching one thing every day, it is going to create some space in your mind. And that's how you can overcome the problem of spelling mistakes. If you see the same word every day, you know how I can write it and what is the spelling for that particular word. This is the benefit. And the last benefit I feel, but still it has more benefits, but I feel the last benefit I'm going to make you count as it is going to help you to improve your knowledge. If you want to squabble with anyone, if you have a lot of knowledge about that particular topic, you can defeat anyone. And here you are going to have the appropriate data, appropriate facts, and so on. But the question is that if you are uninterested in reading a newspaper, what if reading is not your forte? Don't worry about that. I am here to help you with another methods. The second thing that you can apply in your life is try to consume some English content. Either you do it on YouTube or you watch my videos, or you can watch some English channels. But here the problem is that you have to watch it with subtitles, and you have to make sure whenever you watch anything in English, either it is from YouTube or you watch some English channels, that point of time you have to have a register with you. If you try this first tip, I guarantee you would see some change. The second tip that you can have is create the environment of English. You have to do that. Sometimes we run after people. Sometimes I feel that I need to have friends, but friends will not come forward to help you to improve your communication skills. Here, you yourself can do that. Whatever you do, you have to say that in English, and you have to read that out, and you have to make sentences. Let me give you an example. If you are going to take a bath, you have to talk to yourself and you have to make sentences in English. For instance, if I'm going to take a bath, I will say, Sunil, today you are going to wash your hair. Sunil, today you are going to oil your hair after taking a bath. And today you are going to have a bath with lukewarm water. Today you are going to use a new face wash. That's how you can practice. What if you are not able to make sentences at home? If you are going somewhere, always carry your earphones. The moment you are out of doors, put on your earphones and just walk. And that point of time, you can look at people. Okay, he is doing this. He is looking at me. He is buying. He is stealing. He is honking unnecessarily. A boy is riding his bike at full speed and he is not wearing a helmet. Like that, whatever situation you find, on that particular situation, you form sentences. The next tip I'm going to share with you is practice grammar. This is very important. And without grammar, you can never ever improve English. I'm not telling you that you need to have profound knowledge of grammar, but there are some topics that you need to have proper knowledge about. The first thing is that work on tenses. The second thing is that work on modals a bit. Third thing is that work on nouns and pronouns. And the last thing that you can have in your English is that article part. These things are really important, and these things we practice, and we whenever we go for any conversation, there we end up making mistakes here. You can also practice a little bit preposition, but these things are very important. Now, what if I have grammar? What if I practice grammar? What are the things now I need to do? The first thing is that you need to choose topics according to the grammar lessons. If today I'm going to practice past simple, I need to make sure I'm going to give topics to myself where I can practice past simple. For instance, you can give a topic called how did you celebrate your birthday? How was your New Year celebration? And how was my childhood? You can talk about how was my school life. You can talk about how was my college life, and how I was when I was in 12th standard, how I was when I went to school for the very first time. Like this, you can give topics. Same you can do with other things. If you practice modals, if you practice can, you know why can is used. Can always shows the ability. So you can give a topic to yourself and you need to tell that what you can easily do. I can dance. I can teach. I can speak English. I can make a video for YouTube, like that. And you also know where we use should we use for giving advice. Now you need to give a topic where you will advise people. People should not smoke. People should not abuse. People should work on English. People should watch my channel, like that. So these are the methods you can try. And if you have liked anything from this video, please subscribe to this channel and keep learning. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your time. Bye.